Welcome. In front of me I have some BASEUS W07 true wireless earphones. So let's just quickly see what this is all about, how they sound, and well, give you just my opinion of it. So right off the bat, one thing that I found kind of funny on here is the noise reducing design, aka this is the kind of BS that basically says, yeah, we don't have any kind of noise cancelling. We just say that our rubber tip will cancel your noise enough. So that's basically what you call a passive noise cancelling, not active noise cancelling. And it's just done by creating a seal in your ear, which can be done basically with anything, assuming it does have some kind of sealing away, like a rubber tip, which most of the earbuds do, because it just makes them also sit in the ear better. So this shouldn't even be here, but it's just kind of funny how they're making it look like it is some kind of noise cancellation with the two microphones and stuff like that. Dual mic. Dual mic what? You're not fooling anybody. Unless this is going to be a pure and blatant copy of the Huawei earbud or FreeBuds Lite, which did have noise cancelling and looked exactly like this one, then yeah, I guess I can expect it. It could be just a rebrand of it and being sold as a different brand. But we're gonna see it quickly. So as you can see, there's nothing really in here. It gives us a bunch of more info. So yeah, cool. We have 4 ear tips, cable, case with buds, obviously, what you would expect. Then also we have high fidelity composite membrane acoustic technology. What? So yeah, I mean, as you can hear or see, just some bunch of random mumbo jumbo here, just to make it sound a little bit more fancy. And it's not. Okay, so let's pop these out. So there's the case. It does feel a little bit cheap. This is weird. Okay, anyway, let's just get the earbuds themselves out of here. Come on, give it to me. There we go. And also, apart from that, we do have that cable that was mentioned, and also the ear tips. Cool. Get this out of the way. So straight up, we got the casing right here with key button to basically pair them. Let's actually drop them in here. The magnet seems to be, oh, there we go. This one was a little bit better. Okay. Now one thing that I find kind of, what was that? Okay. One thing that I find a little bit funny is when you open them up, they do stop opening, as you can see. At this basically point, there's something like blocking them, and you basically have to push it open, and it will stay open, right? But it will be blocking from closing, as you can see. Now if I close it all the way and again open it up, as you can see, there's nothing really blocking it from closing right now. Only when I push it all the way, then it just reverses basically. It's some kind of weird way, so it has, I guess, a little bit more satisfying closing. I have no idea. But anyway, we're not here for the actual case. We're here to actually see how they also sound. So let me quickly grab my phone and go into Bluetooth. Now that's a watch, which I don't want. So let's hold the key. I'm not sure if there's any kind of light anywhere to indicate that they're connecting. I have no idea if they're even charged, to be honest. Hello? Anything? Maybe I need to take them out. still the watch. Let me quickly plug them in and see if there's any kind of light to indicate that they're charging or anything. Oh, yep, there it is. So there is a light, but it looks like in this case I guess they came discharged. Let's see if I open it up, drop them in there, or try to connect it, if this will work. Oh, there it is, it's blinking blue. Now, sorry I'm not showing that on the camera. I have my cable kind of routed behind stuff and it's a little bit short, but it is plugged in right now and blinking blue, but still not showing up here. Now, let me see if I unplug it. Will it continue to blink? Yep, it is. As you can see, it's now blinking. I think it was completely dead. That's why it didn't really want to do anything. But obviously you can see that I can't really connect them. Oh, there we go. We got it. I guess I have to wait. Hopefully they won't die before that time. Come on. There we go, pairing. Some progress, cool. Pairing failed. Okay. That's always a nice sign. Let's try it again. Yep, nope. So I guess I'm not gonna connect them and test them because they don't want to connect. So yeah, that being said, finishing this off, the design of this is very, very similar to the Huawei, what was it, FreeBuds Lite, which at one case it is a little bit of a bad design. The other way, I can't really complain. At least the FreeBuds Lite did have noise cancelling in them, and they worked okay. It was a decent pair for a really cheap price. They were like about below $100. So they costed about, I think, $70 or something like that, or maybe even less. Now I believe these ones will be a little bit worse. I cannot really test them, so I'm just kind of basing them on how they kind of feel, just the entirety of the package, because I can't connect them as you see. But other than that, yeah, they look almost exactly. The buds themselves might look a little bit different, but not by much. And other than that, yeah, not much more to say. Not much more I can say because I haven't really tested them. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.